Biological control is a crucial strategy for managing invasive species and pests, particularly in the unique ecosystems of the Pacific Islands. This method involves using natural predators, parasites, or pathogens to regulate pest populations, thus minimizing environmental impact and promoting biodiversity. The significance of biological control in this region cannot be overstated, as it helps protect native flora and fauna from harmful invaders. A prominent figure in this field is Dr. Doug Waterhouse, a leading scientist whose contributions have shaped the landscape of biocontrol in the Pacific. His extensive research and dedication to sustainable practices have inspired many in the scientific community. Dr. Waterhouse's innovative approaches have not only advanced our understanding of ecological balance, but have also provided practical solutions for local farmers and communities. His work exemplifies the importance of integrating scientific knowledge with local needs, ensuring that biological control remains a viable option for preserving the rich biodiversity of the Pacific Islands. The first biocontrol meeting took place in Tonga in October 1985, marking a significant milestone in the realm of pest management in the Pacific Islands. The primary objective of this gathering was to foster collaboration among scientists, policymakers, and agricultural practitioners to address the growing challenges posed by invasive pests. The meeting aimed to share knowledge, experiences, and strategies related to biological control methods, emphasizing their importance in sustainable agriculture. Key participants included renowned scientists, local agricultural experts, and representatives from various Pacific Island nations. Their collective expertise contributed to fruitful discussions on the potential of biocontrol agents in managing pest populations effectively. The meeting also served as a platform for establishing networks among stakeholders, facilitating future collaborations. Overall, this inaugural event laid the groundwork for ongoing efforts in biocontrol, setting the stage for subsequent meetings and advancements in pest management throughout the region. The Pacific Islands have witnessed remarkable successes in biocontrol, particularly with the management of invasive species like the rhino beetle and lantana. The rhino beetle, a notorious pest affecting coconut palms, was effectively managed through the introduction of a natural predator, which significantly reduced its population. This success not only protected coconut production, but also preserved the livelihoods of local farmers who depend on this vital crop. Similarly, lantana, an invasive plant that disrupts local ecosystems, was targeted through biocontrol initiatives that involve the release of specific insects that feed on it. These efforts have led to a notable decrease in lantana coverage, allowing native flora to thrive once again. These case studies exemplify the potential of biocontrol as a sustainable solution to invasive species challenges. The collaborative efforts between scientists and local communities have been crucial in achieving these milestones, showcasing the effectiveness of biocontrol strategies in the region. Mr. Samisi Pone is a prominent figure in the field of plant pathology, serving as a plant pathologist for the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries, and Forestry in Tonga. With a deep-rooted passion for agriculture and environmental sustainability, he has dedicated his career to addressing plant health issues that affect local crops and ecosystems. His expertise and commitment to scientific research have positioned him as a key player in the development of biocontrol strategies in the Pacific Islands. Mr. Pone was instrumental in the first discussions surrounding biocontrol, which took place during the inaugural biocontrol meeting in Tonga in October 1985. His contributions helped pave the way for innovative pest management solutions that are environmentally friendly and sustainable. Through his efforts, Mr. Pone has fostered collaboration among scientists, policymakers, and local communities, ensuring that biocontrol practices are effectively implemented to combat invasive species and protect native biodiversity. In October 1995, the biocontrol community gathered once again, this time at the Makambo Hotel in Nadi, Fiji. Organized by Mr. Samisi Pone, this second meeting marked a significant milestone in the ongoing efforts to enhance biocontrol strategies in the Pacific Islands. Building upon the foundation laid during the first meeting in Tonga, participants were eager to discuss advancements and challenges faced over the past decade. The picturesque setting of Nadi provided an ideal backdrop for collaboration among scientists, policymakers, and local stakeholders. Samisi Pone, a former dedicated plant pathologist and senior plant virologist for the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries, and Forests in Tonga, is now head of the Plant Protection Services at the South Pacific Commission, now known as the Pacific Community, played a crucial role in bringing together experts passionate about biocontrol. This meeting aimed not only to review progress, but also to foster new ideas and partnerships that would further strengthen biocontrol initiatives. The anticipation was palpable as attendees prepared to share their experiences and insights, setting the stage for productive discussions ahead. The second biocontrol meeting, held in October 1995, aimed to evaluate the progress made in biocontrol initiatives over the past decade since the first meeting. This gathering provided an essential platform for participants to reflect on the advancements achieved in managing invasive species in the Pacific Islands. By reviewing the successes and challenges encountered, attendees sought to identify effective strategies that could be further developed. The meeting also emphasized the importance of collaboration among scientists, local stakeholders, and policymakers to enhance biocontrol efforts. Discussions centered on sharing experiences and lessons learned from various biocontrol projects, fostering a sense of community among those involved in this vital work. Ultimately, the purpose of this meeting was to ensure that the momentum gained in biocontrol research and implementation would continue, paving the way for more sustainable and effective pest management solutions in the region. This collective review was crucial for shaping future biocontrol initiatives. As we transition to the second biocontrol meeting, it is essential to introduce our main resource person, Dr. Doug Waterhouse. Dr. Waterhouse is a renowned scientist whose contributions to biocontrol in the Pacific have been pivotal. His extensive research and practical applications have significantly advanced our understanding of biological control methods. Over the years, he has dedicated himself to developing sustainable solutions for pest management, particularly in island ecosystems where invasive species pose a substantial threat. Dr. Waterhouse's innovative approaches have not only enhanced the effectiveness of biocontrol strategies, but have also fostered collaboration among scientists and local communities. His involvement in the first biocontrol meeting laid the groundwork for ongoing discussions and developments in the field. As we gather in Nadi, Fiji, for the second meeting, we look forward to Dr. Waterhouse sharing his insights and experiences, which will undoubtedly inspire and guide our efforts in biocontrol across the Pacific Islands. During the second biocontrol meeting held in October 1995 at the Mokambo Hotel in Nadi, Fiji, Dr. Paul Farrar of ACR played a pivotal role in supporting Dr. Doug Waterhouse. As a respected figure in the field, Dr. Farrar's expertise was invaluable in facilitating the discussions and proceedings of the meeting. His contributions ensured that the agenda was effectively managed, allowing participants to focus on the critical updates and challenges surrounding biocontrol initiatives. Dr. Farrar worked closely with Dr. Waterhouse, assisting in the organization of presentations and discussions that highlighted the progress made in biocontrol over the past decade. Together, they fostered an environment of collaboration and knowledge sharing among scientists and stakeholders. This partnership not only enhanced the meeting's effectiveness, but also reinforced the importance of teamwork in advancing biocontrol strategies in the Pacific Islands. The synergy between Dr. Farrar and Dr. Waterhouse in assisting Samaisi Pone run the meeting exemplified the collaborative spirit essential for successful biocontrol efforts. During the second biocontrol meeting, several key topics were addressed, providing a comprehensive update on ongoing projects and the challenges encountered. Participants discussed the advancements made in biocontrol initiatives since the first meeting, highlighting successful projects that have shown promise in managing invasive species. Updates were shared on various biocontrol projects, including the introduction of new biological agents and their effectiveness in pest management. Challenges faced by the teams were also a focal point of discussion. Issues such as funding limitations, the need for more extensive research, and the complexities of local ecosystems were identified as significant obstacles. Participants emphasized the importance of collaboration among scientists, local stakeholders, and government agencies to overcome these challenges. By sharing experiences and insights, the meeting aimed to foster a unified approach to biocontrol, ensuring that the Pacific Islands can effectively combat invasive species and protect their unique biodiversity. The implementation of biocontrol strategies in the Pacific Islands has thrived on the collaborative efforts between scientists and local stakeholders. This partnership is crucial as it combines scientific expertise with local knowledge, ensuring that biocontrol methods are both effective and culturally appropriate. Scientists work closely with farmers, community leaders, and local organizations to identify pest problems and develop tailored solutions. These collaborations foster trust and enable the sharing of vital information, which enhances the overall success of biocontrol initiatives. For instance, local stakeholders often provide insights into the ecology of pests and the impact of invasive species on their communities. In return, scientists offer training and resources to empower these stakeholders in implementing biocontrol measures. This synergy not only leads to successful pest management, but also strengthens community resilience against future invasions. By working together, scientists and local stakeholders are paving the way for sustainable agricultural practices in the Pacific Islands. In the Pacific Islands, various biocontrol methods have been employed to manage pests effectively. One notable approach involves the introduction of specific biological agents such as parasitoids and predators, which target invasive species. For instance, the use of the egg parasitoid, Telenomus remus, has been instrumental in controlling the population of the coconut rhinoceros beetle, a significant pest threatening local agriculture. Additionally, the introduction of the rust fungus, Puccinia lantanae, has shown promising results in managing Lantana chimera, an invasive weed that disrupts native ecosystems. The impact of these biological agents extends beyond mere pest control. They also contribute to the restoration of ecological balance. By reducing the reliance on chemical pesticides, these methods promote sustainable agriculture and protect biodiversity. The collaborative efforts of scientists and local communities in implementing these biocontrol strategies have proven essential in enhancing pest management practices across the Pacific Islands, ensuring food security and environmental health for future generations. Research and data collection are fundamental to the success of biocontrol initiatives in the Pacific Islands. They provide a scientific basis for understanding pest dynamics and the effectiveness of biological agents. Through rigorous research, scientists can identify the most suitable organisms for controlling invasive species, ensuring that the chosen biocontrol methods are both effective and environmentally safe. Data collection allows for monitoring the impacts of these methods over time, enabling adjustments to strategies as needed. Furthermore, research fosters collaboration between scientists and local communities, creating a shared knowledge base that enhances the implementation of biocontrol measures. It also supports the development of policies that prioritize sustainable pest management practices. In a region facing unique ecological challenges, the importance of thorough research and accurate data cannot be overstated. They are essential tools that empower stakeholders to make informed decisions, ultimately leading to healthier ecosystems and improved agricultural productivity across the Pacific Islands. Since the first biocontrol meeting in 1985, the evolution of biocontrol practices in the Pacific Islands has been remarkable. Initially focused on addressing immediate pest issues, the approach has matured into a comprehensive strategy that incorporates local knowledge and scientific research. Over the years, collaboration among scientists, local stakeholders, and government agencies has strengthened, leading to more effective pest management solutions. The successes achieved with specific cases, such as the control of the rhino beetle and lantana, showcase the positive impact of these practices. Furthermore, continuous learning and adaptation have become central to the biocontrol framework, allowing for the integration of innovative techniques and biological agents. This evolution reflects a growing recognition of the importance of sustainable practices that protect local ecosystems. As we look back, it is clear that the journey since 1985 has laid a solid foundation for future advancements in biocontrol across the Pacific Islands. During his tenure as head of the South Pacific Commission Plant Protection Services, Samisi Pone gained invaluable insights that shaped his understanding of biocontrol in the Pacific Islands. He observed firsthand the critical role of collaboration among scientists, local farmers, and government agencies. Pone noted that successful biocontrol initiatives often stemmed from strong partnerships, enabling the sharing of knowledge and resources. He emphasized the importance of adapting biocontrol strategies to the unique ecological context of the islands, as well as the need for ongoing education and training for local stakeholders. Pone also reflected on the challenges faced, including resistance from some communities and the need for sustained funding. His experiences highlighted the significance of monitoring and evaluating biocontrol projects to ensure their effectiveness. Ultimately, Pone's observations underscored the necessity of a holistic approach that integrates scientific research with local practices to achieve sustainable pest management in the Pacific. His book on Doug Waterhouse, available from Amazon.com, also include more information on biocontrol in the Pacific. Dr. Doug Waterhouse has made significant contributions to the field of biological control, particularly in the Pacific Islands. His pioneering research and innovative approaches have transformed pest management practices across the region. Waterhouse's work has emphasized the importance of utilizing natural enemies to combat invasive species, which has proven to be a sustainable and effective strategy. His influence extends beyond research. He has played a crucial role in fostering collaboration among scientists, local stakeholders, and policymakers. By organizing key biocontrol meetings, he has created platforms for knowledge exchange and shared best practices. Waterhouse's dedication to training and mentoring emerging scientists has also ensured that his legacy continues. His insights have shaped biocontrol methodologies, leading to successful case studies such as the management of the rhino beetle. Overall, Dr. Waterhouse's contributions have been instrumental in advancing biocontrol practices, making a lasting impact on the ecological health of the Pacific Islands. Over the years, biocontrol programs in the Pacific Islands have encountered a variety of challenges and successes. One significant challenge has been the complexity of local ecosystems, which can make it difficult to predict the outcomes of introducing biological agents. Additionally, limited funding and resources have often hindered the implementation of comprehensive biocontrol strategies. Despite these obstacles, there have been notable successes, such as the effective management of the rhino beetle, which has greatly reduced its population and minimized damage to local crops. Furthermore, the control of lantana, an invasive plant species, has demonstrated the potential of biocontrol methods to restore native habitats. Collaborative efforts between scientists, local communities, and government agencies have played a crucial role in these successes. As biocontrol programs continue to evolve, addressing challenges while building on past achievements will be essential for sustainable pest management in the region. The ongoing need for biocontrol in managing invasive species is critical for the preservation of local ecosystems in the Pacific Islands. Invasive species threaten biodiversity, disrupt food chains, and alter habitats, leading to significant ecological and economic consequences. Traditional methods of pest control often fall short, making biocontrol a vital alternative. Utilizing natural predators and pathogens can offer sustainable solutions to these pressing challenges. This approach not only targets invasive species effectively, but also minimizes the environmental impact associated with chemical pesticides. Furthermore, biocontrol fosters resilience within ecosystems, allowing native species to thrive once again. Collaborative efforts among scientists, local communities, and stakeholders are essential in implementing these strategies effectively. Continuous research and monitoring are necessary to adapt biocontrol methods to evolving ecological conditions. As the Pacific Islands face increasing threats from invasive species, the commitment to biocontrol remains paramount in safeguarding their unique biodiversity and ensuring the health of local ecosystems for future generations. Samisi Pone's book about Dr. Doug Waterhouse serves as a significant tribute to a pioneer in the field of biological control. It delves into Dr. Waterhouse's profound influence on pest management strategies within the Pacific Islands. The book highlights key themes such as the importance of collaboration among scientists, local communities, and stakeholders in implementing effective biocontrol methods. Pone emphasizes Waterhouse's dedication to research and education, showcasing how his innovative approaches have shaped pest management practices. Insights from the book reveal the challenges faced in biocontrol, including the need for ongoing research and adaptation to evolving environmental conditions. Additionally, Pone reflects on the legacy of Waterhouse, illustrating how his work continues to inspire new generations of scientists. This publication not only honors a remarkable individual, but also serves as a vital resource for understanding the complexities and successes of biocontrol initiatives in the Pacific Islands. Dr. Doug Waterhouse's legacy in the realm of biological control is profound and far-reaching. His pioneering work laid the foundation for innovative pest management strategies that have transformed agricultural practices across the Pacific Islands. By championing the use of natural enemies to combat invasive species, he not only addressed immediate ecological challenges, but also inspired a generation of scientists to pursue sustainable solutions. Waterhouse's commitment to education and mentorship fostered a collaborative spirit among researchers and local stakeholders, ensuring that knowledge was shared and adapted to local contexts. His influence extends beyond his lifetime, as many of his protégés continue to advance biocontrol methodologies. The principles he established resonate in ongoing research and practical applications, emphasizing the importance of ecological balance. As future generations of scientists build upon his work, they carry forward his vision of harmonious coexistence between agriculture and nature, ensuring that his impact will be felt for years to come. As we conclude our exploration of biological control in the Pacific Islands, it is essential to emphasize the importance of continued collaboration and innovation. The success of biocontrol efforts relies heavily on the synergy between scientists, local stakeholders, and communities. By fostering partnerships, we can share knowledge, resources, and best practices, ensuring that our strategies are effective and sustainable. Innovation plays a critical role in adapting to ever-evolving challenges posed by invasive species and environmental changes. Embracing new technologies and methodologies will enhance our ability to protect local ecosystems and agricultural productivity. Furthermore, ongoing research and data collection are vital in informing future initiatives. As we reflect on the legacy of pioneers like Dr. Doug Waterhouse, let us commit to building upon their work. Together, through collaboration and innovation, we can create a resilient future for the Pacific Islands, safeguarding its unique biodiversity for generations to come.